Late at night, something not of this world approaches. Watching, studying, getting closer.
Okay, this happened last night. I checked my doorbell camera and saw someone slowly walking up to my house. At first, I thought it was just a delivery guy, but then he stopped. He didn't move. He just stared straight into the camera, and the second the lights flickered...
It was just another delivery, or so I thought. The camera caught him standing there, silent. The porch light flickered, and for a second, his face wasn't human. Then, he was gone. But the package, it's still here.
The camera saw it first, a shape that shouldn't exist, and now it knows this house is awake.
Front door alert. Unknown figure detected. Approaching on all fours. Stay inside. Do not answer the door.
Watch till the end and see what happens.
Hello? Can I help you? Hey, what's in the box? Who are you?
The porch light kept flickering, and every time it did, that thing was closer, until suddenly, it was right at my feet.